Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Prime Minister Andrew Holness, aka Bro God. Also, we want to talk about Hurricane Melissa. Also, we want to talk about the people in Westmoreland and a whole bunch of people in Jamaica were actually homeless right now. No have no house, no have no bed, no have nowhere to sleep. So last night we dropped a video and we talk to the viewers and the subscribers and tell them to make we know in the comment section we say Jamaica need to free up some of the hotel them. Free up some hotel and help some people who are homeless so they can have somewhere to sleep, especially the elders, young babies, baby mothers, pregnant people, and some people where they're in a critical condition. Because we know it's enough of the school they mash up and enough of the hospital they mash up. So we are say, with some of the donation where the Prime Minister get, in can cut a deal with the hotel them and the Airbnb and the guest house them and see if they can get some place for some people stay and pay them out of the donation where them a get. Cut some deal because of him and the Prime Minister. And right now we just go through a disaster. Right now we in the state of emergency. So him need to step up and make everybody know say uno have to go help out somewhere, somehow, or uno have to go lift up. So today again, we are come with some different views. We are come on a different level of paths with some ideas. Cause right now we need every idea out there. We need every donation. We need everybody we can contribute. We need everybody we can lay a block. We need everybody we can put on some zinc, build some house. We need every idea because it's going to take outside people and Jamaican as well to help build back the country. And we see some people out of Westmoreland a ball. Some people out of Westmoreland a cry. Say, I know them not see no government official. People in a Westmoreland a cry. I say them need help and them need aid. Yes, them grateful say people in a St. Elizabeth I get help, but them want the people them to know say Westmoreland mash up as well. People in a Westmoreland need help. We need aid to reach to the people them in a Westmoreland. We need some helicopter to go out there, go drop off some food and some water. We need some bulldozer and tractor to help clean up the road. We need some help in a Westmoreland. Big up to the artists them where I help. Big up to everybody where I reach out. The Shaggy, the Beanie Man them. Cartel say more do a thing. Alkaline I go help out as well. See Massacre out there. See them where we see Javi out there. 450 out there. We see Silk Bass out there. Big up to the whole of the artists them where I help out. And also people, Alkaline have a show a come up in a Barbados where I'm going to donate the money there to Jamaica. The team already post that already. So Alkaline, big up yourself. Cartel say more touchdown this week and I'm going to help out. So big up Shaggy for using plane. Big up Sean Paul. Big up every artist way out there. I help out the people them at Jamaica. So people, we talk about the hotel. The thing where we want to talk about, you know. And we want to say Andrew Holness. We want to say Mark Golden. We want to say the upper class, the private sector. We want to say corporate Jamaica. We need the national stadium. The national stadium and every football stadium in a Jamaica. When I mash up the Trelawney Cricket Stadium, we need that as well. Also, the National Arena, we need that as well. The National Stadium can hold up to 35,000 people. People, if Andrew Holness use the stadium and put some tent in the stadium, it will help out a whole bunch of people. Light, power, everything, bathroom, that the stadium, plus the stadium can handle a whole bunch of traffic. The stadium can hold up to 35,000 people or more. So them can use the stadium, whole heap of bathroom, that stadium, light, that stadium, water, that stadium, use some tent and put some tent on the football field and everywhere. Anywhere in a stadium where the people can find some space, we want to use up the stadium and if we use up the cricket stadium as well. I go back to the United States of America during Hurricane Katrina, where the United States of America did have to do. The NFL, the football stadium, the Saints stadium, them use it during Hurricane Katrina. They use the church, them use the school, the college, also them use anywhere they can get them hand pan, them use it. So people wouldn't feel better for know say them then are some area where security and police there and some tent. On a scene at the thumbnail, me show some tent. Them little tent they can hold 2-3 people. Some of them can hold 5 people, 10 people, all different size. Use up the National Stadium plus the JUTC bus them, the school bus them, drive go as far as on a can in a St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay. Any parish will get affected. Bring back them people to Kingston. Write down their name and set down their name. Who will want move. Who will want evacuate. Bring the people them were homeless. Go Kingston. Put them in the National Stadium. Put them in the National Arena. Write down their name and put down them name on a list. Get the necessary information and documentation so you can bring them people from Westmoreland, from St. Elizabeth, go Kingston and put up who you can put up in the National Stadium and pitch some tent where them people can get food right round the clock. Water right round the clock, access to a bathroom. It'll go feel much better versus there in a St. Elizabeth where no power no there, no water no there, no food no there. Seeing bring people from Westmoreland the same way, cause enough artists, enough people who want help out. It would be easier to help out them people there in the National Stadium with food and health care and medicine. It would be much better for Jamaican people. So anybody who want migrate or them want move, evacuate, bring them go Kingston and put them in the National Stadium. Put them in the National Arena. Anywhere at Kingston where you have one big piece of land, a football field, clean it off and pitch up some tent. If them football field they can hold 100 tent, a 100 family. If I even some chapel in where you can use to build some tent, bring them. That would work out for Jamaican people good, and it would be easier to help the people them. Cause yes, them glad for the help. Yes, them need the help. But it no make no sense. You drive go Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, give a man some food and water, and then you left them. They no have no sponge, them no have no tent, them no have no house, them no have no way to sleep, them no have no toilet, them no have no way to bed, them no have no way to lay them head. One lady say in go St. Elizabeth and he give a baby mother some pampers. Him say when the lady take off the pampers off of the baby full of rash, the baby body red, the baby skin red. How the baby look because the baby have on the pampers for days. So especially if a pee-pee, the baby pee-pee over and over for 3-4 days, that I go rash up the baby skin. All of my baby mother them, all of youth them will get youth and take care of the youth and change pampers, change diaper upon them youth. Know what me I talk about. You need Desitin and you need Vaseline and you need Johnson and Johnson powder. And if the baby have on the pampers too long, it a go cause certain rash. We know a woman out the same way we need pad and they need privacy. If a man have running belly, he no have nowhere fi go in a night, place dark, place look away, place grimy, plus the dirty thinking scammer them out there work, plus the dirty thief them out there work as well. Cause now Jamaica got through where it got through, and some people take the opportunity to be real Jamaican. You have some people who are real Jamaican on a negative level. Them find time for thief. Them find time for rob. Them find time for hurt people. Some on the dirty thinking boy, on you not even take this time as something for change in your life. Or say, yo, that's time you deal with the country. Or we, a crazy people, lose them life. We are going to change with dirty thinking ways. No found a dirty thinking boy out there. On not change in the ways. So enough people out there reach out to we and make we know so when night come them afraid. Cause you don't know say the night dark already. Imagine when no power no did it. It is not a good look. Seeing so me I say Andrew Holness, anybody out there, the necessary authorities, me think gonna fi move some of the people them, carry them go Kingston, carry them go put them in the national stadium. If the Trelawney Cricket Stadium good, use up the field, use it up and put some tent on it. Start ask some country for some tent, put the people them inside. A man would have feel better knowing say must sleep on some chair, knowing that in there in an environment was secure and he can use a bathroom, plus kitchen did it, plus place did the one who can cook and monitor the people them and help the people them and know say the people them not they out there. It better the people them there in the cricket stadium. And it better the people them there in the national stadium as well. Every school, when no damage, use up them football field as well. We want one whole heap of tent. If even some sheet and blanket a man can get and put up 4 pole and put it over the top of the pole them, it would at least feel better for no say so night Jew a back off of him. But one of the most important thing if you know say them people are there inside of one place where soldier there, police there, security guard there. Enough of the people them not feel good and safe in them community. Remember, say them people you never feel safe before now. So now it even go worse. For know say you're there in a community or you're there outside. Even if the Prime Minister can link you and tell you say everything a go be okay, he ma go back home to him warm bed, he ma go back home to him family. Enough of them people are the place where them there. Mud did it. Even in a Manchester, a place named Kirkvine, right down there so by the Alpart place. Seeing the storm pass and gone from last week, and I know enough of the people, them are flood out. Even rivers are create certain places in Jamaica, and we know how Mother Nature set up. So enough of the place them did a swamp and gully and riverbed, and Mother Nature when him get upset, Mother Nature can take back him riverbed, take back him spot at any given time. Imagine say the hurricane gone from last week and people in a Manchester down at Williamsfield, Kirkvine are flood out now. The underground spring them full and then water no have nowhere to go. So the water have to go up. Plus that happened in a Manchester already. Same place down at Kirkvine about 15 to 20 years ago. The earth overflow. Seeing the earth overflow, them have to block off the road. If you want to go Kingston, you have to go Kendall and them place there. Seeing you can't go through Curvine there. So again, cause whole of it flood out. Seeing? So we are say it is not nice for enough of them people here are sleeping at the place where them are sleep. Yes, a man get some food. Yes, a man get some water. Yes, a man belly full. But when a man ready for sleep, where am I go sleep? Enough of them people here not get no sleep. Imagine. Me know that Jamaica, me know me people them down there, and me family them good, me family them Gucci. But if you know when me pick up the phone and me can't call them, or me not get through to them, or more while the internet down, the internet go in and out. It grieve me. When the whole hurricane a go on at Jamaica, a sleepless like nights me have. Enough people overseas right now can't hear from them family. Enough people overseas don't know if them family alive or what. So it wouldn't be good if that can happen. Yo, Jump Out TV production a cook right now. No. Make sure you like that video, you know. Make sure you like the video. Me a beg some likes pan a video, yeah. 300 likes pan a video, yeah. We not do it for the likes. But at the end of the day, we want a message a reach out there. So when time you like the video, the message I go reach out there because YouTube algorithm I go send a message out there. Remember Titanic when Titanic ship crash and the people them will survive when they go up on the next ship, them they take down name and everybody will survive. So them know who survive and them know who not survive. So I saw you gonna know how much people survive and then you gonna know how much people deceased. So at the same time, meanwhile them a load them bus here, take everybody name and everybody address and how much people out of the home there. Seeing out of the home there, I go up on the bus. So at the end of the day, we know how much people come from each area. So now we are going to have the information and documentation. Seeing so nobody no get lost and miss up. So we know how much people every day come out of St. Elizabeth. How much people every day come out of Westmoreland. And at the same time, the amount of people where them bring to Kingston or wherever, them can advertise over the news, put a list of the people them name, so people can even watch the news and see them family name and see say them there in Kingston. You can go in the Gleaner too. You can go in a Star. Some people think say this is a whole heap of work, but yes, people need work in this time. People need jobs. So enough people out there can get work for the emergency evacuation team or disaster team. Yes, we have to do stuff like that so we can document it and know how much people alive or how much people make it out, so people overseas not have to panic and then can go on YouTube and see how much people name our TVJ or the Star or what money are coming to the country. Enough donation did it, and them donation they can help out that as well. We need different people idea as well for how we are gonna get through this, and not everybody attack foolish. Cause enough people overseas, them not know where them are going to do, cause them not know if them family member alive. Imagine if TVJ or CVM can just run a thing 1 o'clock every day where them call out 100 people name. And a family member can say, yes, me hear Andrew Brown. Yes, me hear Delroy White. Yes, Delroy White from Black River such and such is alive. Black River from such and such is alive. It wouldn't be a good look for the country. It wouldn't be a good look for the people them overseas, because them a panic. Them a panic and enough of them don't know what to do. So it wouldn't be good. And I remember back in the days when time you're the Jamaica, you have about some family overseas where you not hear from, you're not in with them dead or alive. Back in them days you only have payphone. And I remember when we used to watch a thing on TV named Greetings. When time your family used to send greetings from overseas, when Jamaica National, the people them used to come on every night and every day and say, yo, more big up such and such. Yo, we there in the Bronx now. Yo, we there in the Brooklyn. We there in the New York are the most popular one. Oh, I'm calling from Birmingham. Oh, I'm in Newcastle. I'm in Manchester. I'm in England. Big up to all my Jamaicans. I just want Auntie Joy, Auntie Patsy, Auntie we love y'all coming from the UK. Every Christmas, me used to love watch greetings. And I saw sometime, me always a look to see if me see nobody when me know or a family member. But it was a good look. So the same thing, we need something like this for the people them can know say them loved ones. Alright, cause at the end of the day, me know say things take time, but the people them overseas are go through it. The people them overseas are feel it. But most of all, write down their name, put it in the star. The star can even put a column every day with the people them from every part of Jamaica were alive. Westmoreland alive. Trelawney alive. You understand people where them put on the bus and so it would have helpful to the people them overseas. But most of all with Jump Out TV production I said put some of the people them in the National Stadium, National Arena and the Trelawney Cricket Stadium. Put some 10 there. The stadium at Kingston can hold 35,000 people. A whole heap of people that. So tell me if you don't agree with me or you don't agree or you don't disagree with me. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. All of me Jamaican people, hold it. St. Elizabeth people, hold it. Mobile people, hold it. Westmoreland people, help the Panaway. Negril, Savlamar, help the Panaway. Hanover people, hold it. We are Jamaica, we know say rough, we know say rugged, but remember say we got through slavery, we ancestors got through that, enough we got through crazy days, we just have to hold on once more, help the Panaway, and to all of my Jamaican people, good, kind, positive people, we love them country, look out for each other, stick by each other, help each other, did it for your brother or sister. At the end of the day, whole we are family, one Jamaican, no last name, can't separate we, one Jamaica. We been there, done that, and we are going to do it again. I'm out.